Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jeremias. Today in this video we're going to take a look at my Toyota Corolla from 1978. I found it outside a barn, like overgrown with stuff. Maybe I can show you some old footage from it. And this is maybe a year ago, a bit more. And I recently got this new workshop, so I can do some more with it. But I have done quite a lot compared with the state it was in, and we will take a look. We will do a little tour, and I will try to explain what I have done and what we have left to do. I think it's a really cool car. I never seen one before I found this, but it grows on me. I really like it, and it actually drives now. So it's really fun to drive, and I will take you along someday when it's time to drive again. But for now and a few weeks, maybe months, it will stay in here in the workshop, and we have quite a lot to do. Now you see how it looks. Really nice, isn't it? I think it's really cool. I also like these, what do you call them, wipers on the reflectors. I think it's only in Sweden, maybe some other countries that had these. Because of we had some law back then, so the manufacturers had to do like special things when they sold cars in Sweden. Let me know if it's like this in other countries as well. If you know something. And overall, it's not so bad with rust on what you can see, but unfortunately, it's far worse under. So we will really need to do a lot of welding. And I am a beginner with this. I mean, a really beginner. So. Be nice when we come to that. But you can't learn if you don't do it. 78. And the trunk, for now it's filled with like these, I don't know what it's called in English, dollies, we say here, so you can move the car around with these wheels. And the gas tank is behind that wooden board, and it seems to be in quite nice condition actually. And here's this side, and under here is the gas cap. Quite neat. Deluxe. And if we take a look inside, it's in incredible good condition. For it has been outside for many years. I don't know how many. And this no, the driver's side window was smashed, I guess by some youngsters or some kids. So it was really wet, and it grew grass on this seat, and you know. And you can see it's a big hole in the floor, and I think I will have to change almost all of the floor pan there. Quite bad. But this part is really nice, and I have done a good cleaning. Of course, we could clean it more in the future, but for now it's good. Whoa. And you can see even the floor in the back here is really bad. So that side is the worst. But here is nice. And it doesn't smell too bad. The radio doesn't work. I don't know if it's totally kaput or or broken, but it looks nice. The fan is working great. I think most of the electrical stuff is working. Should we take a look under the hood? Yes, you want that. This is the good stuff. Okay, so in here I have changed all the spark plugs. These are new. These are not the right cables. I have the original cables in some box here, and they are look nicer, and they have like these caps, or what you call it, to protect from moisture getting in here. But for now, this will do, and it's working. It has great sparks, and on all cylinders. It runs on all cylinders. I've changed the fuel hoses, and I will show you. Here's a new filter. Because this one, I don't know if it's working. I guess it's really old. I would like to find this type. This is like a really cheap, filter. But for now, it's good. We have a new air filter inside here. The carburetor is actually new, because the old one was totally locked up. I don't know. It's hard to see. Someday I can remove this and show you. I've changed and made some new brake lines. You see the copper ones. I also fixed the calipers in the front, renovated them, changed the sealings and all that. One thing that is very hard to find, at least here in Sweden and Europe, is this is a bunch of spare parts from a different car. And these brake discs, you call them, right, are almost impossible to find new ones. Also, these brake drums, are impossible to find, at least when I looked. So I have to figure out something when we come to that. But it breaks kind of good, but not enough. I will also bleed the system and change the lines I haven't changed yet. I don't know about the master cylinder, if it's okay or not. I have to look into that a bit more. The radiator is in really bad shape, but it's not leaking anymore. I made so it's good enough. I changed the thermostat under here, so it gives great heat in the inside. It works like it should. I changed the oil filter, of course, and oil and stuff. Fuel pump is working great, and here is missing something, and that is the reservoir for the windshield wipers fluid. And over here, this giant reservoir is actually for the wipers on the lights. A bit oversized, maybe. I think it's quite funny. I will show you. This is like a combined to hold down the battery and also hold the reservoir. And here is the pump. And I tested it. It actually works. It works great. Windshield washer. But you see, this one has seen better days. So I will try to manufacture a new one myself, ish. And so we can lock down the battery, because if it isn't, it will fail the MOT. Okay, I will show you more underneath the car in another episode, another video. I will lift it up and put it on jack stands, I think it's called, and then we can do a more thorough look and an investigation of how bad it is and how much we must weld and stuff. So that will be exciting. But this is a really fun project, and I will try to take you along when I fix things here. And I hope you want to follow along. And I hope my English will get better in the future. Okay, it's getting cold as well here. It's I don't know if we can call it winter, but it's around 0 degrees Celsius. And I have no heat here in the workshop. So I think that's it for today. Take care, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.